Good morning, boys and girls. We are on Unit 4, Week 5, Day 2 in your morning workbook. The directions say to edit and write each sentence correctly. Circle the adverb. Last week we talked about how adverbs can tell about when or where something happens or the time order that it happens. This week we're focusing on how adverbs can tell about verbs and how something is happening. So let's see. Mrs. Jones carefully put on the new suit. Fix it up, rewrite it, nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 1. Number 2, my nephew can learn easily. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 2. Daily math review, you know what to do there. And let's see, number 6, we're decomposing a number leading to a 10. So we're turning this 14 into a 10 by taking away the 4 ones, okay? Because we have to take away 7 altogether. So we're taking away 4 and then 3, because 4 plus 3 equals 7. Number 7, 574 plus 263. The first thing you're going to want to do is rewrite this problem to solve it, because there is some regrouping in there. 263, just like that. Then your equal bar and solve it. Pause your video, do number 6 and number 7. On to number 8, we're doing adding 3 two-digit numbers. Pause your video, do number 8. Number 9, circle the rectangles that show 1/2 shaded black. So only half can be shaded black. Otherwise, you don't want to circle it. Pause your video, do number 9. All right, let's start checking from the top. Edit and write each sentence correctly. Circle the adverbs. Mrs. Jones gets capitalized because it is the beginning of a sentence, and it's a name. Mrs. Jones carefully, let's see, carefully is spelled incorrectly, right? Because careful is C-A-R-E-F-U-L. Actually, wait a minute. No. That's right. In a careful way, we added a suffix ly. So carefully is good. Mrs. Jones carefully put on the new. This is the wrong new. This is a new like you have a thought in your head. We're talking about new like something brand new. So Mrs. Jones carefully put on the new suit. Okay, that looks good. Let's rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, number 1 looks good. Let's go to number 2, and then we'll find the adverbs. My nephew can learn easily. This is not a question. It's stating something, so it should be a period. Nephew is spelled incorrectly. It should be N-E-P-H-E-W. My nephew can learn easily. All right, that looks good. Let's rewrite it nice and neat on the line. All right, number 2 looks good. So now we're looking for words that tell how we're doing something. So let's see. Carefully, right? We're doing it in a careful way. And easily describes how we're learning. Okay. Daily math review. 4 plus 8 is 12. 6 plus 8 is 14. 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 7 is 11. 6 plus 7 is 13. We talked about this one, how we're decomposing the 7. Right, so we're taking away the 4 because that's the first number in the ones place. So 14 minus 4 is 10, and then 10 minus 3 is 7. I don't think I would have necessarily used this strategy myself because 7 plus 7 equals 14, and I know that that doubles fact, and that's going to help me solve this, so I know if I take away 7 from 14, 7 are left. All right, number 7, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13 tens, so I got to regroup the 100. And then 500, 600, 700, 800. So 837 is my final answer. Head down here. Let's see, how do I want to solve this? Let's go 8 and 6, right? We know that's 14 because we had that problem earlier up here at the top, right? 6 and 8 is 14. And so that's 14, and then we add 5 more. That's going to be 19. So we're going to regroup that 10. Then we're going to add these guys. So 7 and 3 is 10. So I'm going to add those first. Plus 2 more is 12. Plus 1 more is 13. So 13 tens is 130. Okay, so 139. Circle the rectangles that show 1/2 shaded black. This one shows half, and this one shows half. All right, and you're all done with your morning work. Get started on your next assignment.